Starting a business used to mean juggling 10 different subscriptions, but in 2026, the unified stack is the only way to really scale up without messing up your workflow. If you're sick of data silos and jumping between platforms, you need to check out how one operating system is replacing everything from your CRM to your AI assistant, keeping your whole team together in one spot. Alrighty, folks, so we're here at bitrix24.com. It's your ultimate workspace. You can get everything done here. This is all about ultimate productivity for whatever task you've got, especially if you run a small, medium, or large business, work with others, have employees, or even if you're a student. It's absolutely spot on for efficiency. They've got HR automation, websites and stores, all those projects we mentioned, plus real collaboration too. Heaps of people love it and are raving about it, so you really can't ignore it. It was shortlisted by Capterra in 2026. It's for CRM, task management, and customer service. They've also got a top-notch YouTube video explaining why people are so keen on it and how you can easily get started for free, because it's free forever for unlimited users. You can get involved. You don't actually have to pay to get started, which is absolutely brilliant, because with a lot of the services similar to Bitrix24 that I have personally reviewed, you usually have to pay something to get anything decent out of it, but you can get heaps of value out of it without having to pay. But chances are you'll end up loving it so much that you'll want to upgrade to the next tier anyway. But again, get started using the link in the description. So it's going to replace your SaaS solutions. It's super easy to migrate your data from other systems, because that's honestly a massive headache and a big reason why a lot of people might be hesitant about something like this. And of course, it'll integrate seamlessly with all your apps and services, trusted by over 15 million users worldwide. And again, I really want to stress that it's a 100% flat fee. You know exactly what it costs, it's predictable, and there's no per user pricing involved. I love that it's super easy to communicate with your team, whether that's through the chat section or video calls. But one feature I really do love is the actual employee tracking, because that's really important. It's not about being like a military state and tracking everyone's every move. It's simply about being open and transparent. You're being transparent with your employee, and your employees being transparent with you, as well as the rest of the team, because it's all about being able to see how efficient everyone is and being able to say, all right, this is working, this isn't. How do we reassign things to optimize and get the best efficiency out of yourself and your team based on those results? Too often in workplaces, it's been the case in the past where people might be given a 5-hour shift to do a job that only takes 2 or 3 hours, or maybe they're given a job that actually takes 5 hours, but they're only given an hour to get it done, and when they don't finish in time, they get in trouble. It's just not fair. This gets rid of all that. So your effort is going to be recognized, no matter what level you're at in the team. Whether you're getting task reports from assignees, being able to track things like employee workload and performance is really good. And another major free feature is the Copilot. So this is basically the AI-powered assistant. It's powered by chat, or it can also be powered by another AI system of your choice. Gives you those ideas whenever you need them. It's got tools for creating and editing your text, as well as sales automation, which is also really important. Now, you'll never have a problem with storage space either. You've got up to 100 terabytes, which is just absolutely insane. You can get that maximum automation happen. Once you've got that maximum automation going with your sales, your task workflows, your businesses, and all those processes, you'll be thinking, wow, this is unreal. You can have more than 10,000 users. Even if you've got a massive business, you can still get things done here. It's said to improve task completion rates by 26%, employee engagement by 32%, and lead conversion by up to 43%. With other reviews and success stories, wouldn't you want to improve your business by 26%, 32%, 43% across all different areas? I definitely would if it were me and I had a large-scale business. I'd absolutely be looking at how to keep making things more achievable. It's available on Google Play. It's on the App Store too, which is brilliant. You've got all your main socials covered. The actual chat support, customer support is really good. You can actually see it here, and it's very thorough. You can put in your work email, your regular phone number. You can give your own name, company name, your country, and basically just explain what your goals are to get that proposal. So it's not just some generic annoying AI bot chat thing. Nah, this has been properly tested. I've tried it out myself. It works. It's very thorough, and it's great to see they've got it there, ready for you to access really easily. Bitrix 24 is basically giving you that central hub for everything you need in this area. It really gets rid of tab fatigue, meaning you don't have to have like 100 tabs open with different software and all that, jumping between them, getting confused, and nothing syncing up together. Just one tab, that's it. You only need the one tab. The tab we're looking at right now, chats and calls, everything's here. It's got everything. Messenger, Copilot, Collabs, Feed, the calendar, documents, boards, Drive, webmail, your different tasks and projects, CRMs, your bookings, inventory management, marketing, sites and stores. Everything's there. List of employees here. The calendar syncs up with everything, with your employees, so everyone can see it. So it just makes things heaps easier. You don't need to use external cloud solutions anymore. You've got built-in HD video calls, instant messaging, all that easy stuff. It's all in the app. As you can see, all the chats are right here. Communication really does happen where the work happens, in the chats, in the projects, in the tasks. From lead generation to capturing the lead and actually assigning it to someone, all of that can be done really efficiently and easily in the CRM booking system. As we can see, all the deals are set up here, so everything's organized. These are the new deals coming through and the total amounts. What's the project for? It's for Evan's Goodwill. It's a website redesign, nice and simple. Then you send that proposal off. You can see where it goes, the date and the activity. You can have a quick chat, send a quick message there, or make a quick phone call. Again, there's no need to be creating paperwork. You got an in progress section. All right, so who's actually working on things right now? What's the deal for this one here for Sarah Williams, Growthwave Marketing Automation Setup? So as you can see, it's all here. The invoicing, everything gets sorted. And this is brilliant because it means not a single lead gets dropped or wasted as your business actually grows. So usually as a business grows, you might lose quite a high percentage of leads just because of inefficiencies. But actually with Bitrix 24, that efficiency stays consistent throughout the scaling of the business, which is a really good, strong and profound thing. They all matter. And the CRM's great because it keeps the entire communication history. So obvious things like calls, chats, logs, the tasks, everything's completely organized. This truly allows for a 360-degree view of every single client you've got on board. So you're not going to be neglecting or prioritizing anyone. You're just doing things in a really AI-focused, efficient way. And this is just so important. Why? Because it keeps a personal touch, even though you're scaling. So again, normally when you scale, you start to lose that personal touch with clients, but not anymore because every client is going to feel valued through the automation system. Now, if you were to go ahead and try and do this without the automation, good luck. Good luck scaling your business and not having to hire a massive number of employees who probably will not do as good a job as the automation on Bitrix 24 will. Do you get what I mean? You can keep the same number of employees. You can keep that automation. You can keep that client satisfaction, bring back that client retention, and get word of mouth going. Your business is just going to keep growing so organically. We sort of talked about the Copilot at the start here. It's your AI assistant. It's free. You can ask a question about anything. So, for example, we can go in here to ask a question and just say, how has the business improved? So, I might wake up and think, all right, let's just do a bit of a check-in. Are there some things we can make a bit more efficient? It looks like there isn't an update in the chat history to give a detailed analysis of how the business is going or to pinpoint specific areas for efficiency improvement, but that's all right. So what do they need from us to be able to do it? They want key performance metrics or recent updates about the business, info on current processes or workflows, and any specific challenges or bottlenecks. So you might notice something, maybe some clients have been a bit unhappy about a few things, but you can chuck it all into this specific Copilot AI and it'll be able to give you the solution straight away. Because trust me, this isn't just another AI chatbot. You can take big meeting summaries, drop them in here, and it'll be able to break them down and analyze them for you really easily. It'll be able to do things like break down long chats. It'll be able to work through things like phone calls, everything here. It can transcribe phone records as well as write up emails that are ready to send off. It really is an integrated assistant that gets you and your business. Honestly, I couldn't recommend Copilot more. It can even automatically create checklists. It can also highlight key actions from comments as well. So overall, folks, with Copilot and with Bitrix 24, you're saving heaps of time. You're getting things done a lot more efficiently. You got your employees tracked. You can see how they're progressing. You can actually reward them for the real work they're doing. People are clocking in and clocking out. You're not losing efficiency or wasting time anymore. That's not how a business should run anyway. In my opinion, if employees are putting in the extra work and effort, they should be rewarded. And if they're cutting corners or slacking off, then maybe they should think about finding another role or opportunity somewhere else. And you can basically do all that and keep everything transparent with this brilliant Bitrix 24 software. Ready to get started and grow your business with just one tool? Click the link in the description to start your 15-day free trial and see the all-in-one power of Bitrix 24 for yourself today. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss another important video. Have a great day.